Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. We're going to be discussing about none other than Dogecoin itself, because Dogecoin has finally done what we've been speaking about over the past few days. So let's waste no more time and get right into it. So as we are seeing the market, going into Thursday morning, you are seeing some coins in green. And when I say some coins are in green, you're seeing double-digit gains, and you're seeing Dogecoin up 10.2% right now. So the momentum that we've been talking about over the past few days is really giving us that confirmation that that momentum was honestly really strong. In fact, that you're seeing Doge up 10.2% on the daily time frame speaks for itself. If we're looking at its price, currently sitting at 20 cents, up 10.9% as mentioned in USD comparative. It's also up 10% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. If we're looking at its market cap at $29 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 5.5 billion. So stuff is looking really good in terms of the market valuation as well as the trading volume. But before we go into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So we're going to start off with the total market cap combined, and you're noticing something quite interesting taking place. If you're looking at the market cap combined, we're currently sitting at 66.6 billion, up 4.6%. But believe it or not, majority of the money that has come into the meme coin market has been due to Dogecoin, because let's face it, Dogecoin is up 10.7% over the past 24 hours. We're talking about billion plus that has flown into Dogecoin. So that's obviously really exciting. And obviously, if you're looking at Shiba Inu, the second largest one, it's also up 3.9%. So these two are bringing in a lot of inflow of money into the meme coin market right now. So that is something that we need to keep in mind. But before we go into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at Bitcoin dominance right now, we are seeing Bitcoin dominance starting to move towards the upside. We're approaching the 54% mark, and this can give us a little bit of an indication why we're seeing some coins seeing a little bit of a retracement. As you can see this for yourself, some coins are down, and that is due to this. And as far as Bitcoin is concerned, Bitcoin is having the same exact issue as to what we discussed yesterday. So let's look at it on the hourly time frame to really understand what BTC is doing right now. So if I were to bring out the hourly time frame, definitely Bitcoin is making its way back up to this 70,600 level. But we're seeing this massive sideways momentum taking place, as I did discuss with you guys yesterday. You're looking at BTC ranging from literally 71,500 all the way down to 68K. A lot of that has been happening, but it needs to break out. What's happening right now with Bitcoin is a lot of manipulation. Usually that does tend to happen. A lot of longs and shorts are being liquidated. If you're looking at the liquidation charts, you will be able to see that, and that is based off of just this. But so far, so good. The fact that we're still above 70K, that is nice to see. And I still have a feeling that we could push towards a new all-time high before we close out the month. But we need to see a breakout happening sooner rather than later. That would be obviously nice to see. But Dogecoin, obviously that's what everyone is here for. This right here is insane stuff that we're seeing. So a double top has happened as of now. If I were to zoom in, you can pretty much see this for yourself. We did see at this top, which was the yearly high on March 6th at 20.6 cents. You can see this for yourself. We retested that once again today, literally right at that neckline, but saw a rejection. So double top as of now. But look at this momentum, guys. This speaks for itself. We're talking about the biggest meme coin in the market, the king of the meme coins. If I were to bring out the measuring tool, just literally on March 20th, we're talking just 8 days back. If you picked up the dip, you are up right now on Dogecoin about 70%. And this should just give you an understanding as to what is happening. Big money is coming into Dogecoin, believe it or not. This is one of the easiest indications to kind of see that. Reason as to why big money is coming into the markets, I kind of have explained this in my past update as well, is because, guys, let's face it, we're approaching bull we're approaching the Bitcoin happening, and on top of that, there's not much time left for this bull market to be done. Obviously, there's a lot of people saying, oh, this is the super cycle, Bitcoin's gonna blast off, and we're going to see a longer bull run than usual. But do you really want to risk it? Do you really want to risk it? No, absolutely not. That's what I would recommend you guys doing. Stick with your targets, and what I'm personally projecting, as I've said before, if you did not watch my videos, I'm projecting that this year, in the next 8 to 9 months, is going to be where the gains are going to be made. We could go a little higher after, but I think that was when the top is going to be. So basically my point is, you're seeing whales starting to understand, the sophisticated whales that understand how the market cycle works are starting to buy altcoins, and Dogecoin is one of them. And you're starting to notice a pattern too. Just look at it on the weekly time frame. We're seeing so many other coins pumping up. ICP having a great day, Bitcoin Cash having a great day, MNT, Gala. You're starting to see some of these coins starting to pick up traction right now, because like I said, people know that there's not as much time left as people really state, and that's just that. So this beautiful move that we're seeing happen is something that I kind of indicated in my update literally just a few days back. We were seeing momentum, such a strong momentum for Dogecoin. Again, the biggest asset in terms of meme coins, in terms of market valuation, was having a massive recovery so fast. Meanwhile, the still overall market was a little bit on the sideways momentum. So that was my confirmation, the fact that Dogecoin was able to reclaim back in the 78.6 above this key resistance mark. That spoke to me, and now it's ready to retest that 22.36 cents resistance for the first time since November 28th of 2021. So those are the targets that I'm keeping an eye out on. So obviously right now this resistance has come into the way, because let's face it, this resistance kind of dates back to the previous cycle. So I'm not surprised at that fact, but obviously it's going to be one step at a time. But this is a confirmation. The fact that we retested this yearly high, this is giving me a strong confirmation that we are about to see Doge re-entering this resistance. And if it's able to break out of there, guys, that's where the fireworks really begin. Once the resistance is broken, we could see Doge flying all the way up to this 25 cents mark quite fast, in my opinion. But that's how I'm currently taking a look at Doge. Do let me know down below what you guys think. Is Dogecoin going to trigger a meme coin rally? Possibly. Possibly this could bring in more attention to the meme coin market, and we could see the overall meme coin market valuation combined reaching the 100 billion. And that, guess what that's going to do to the overall meme coins? That's going to have a massive rally for a lot of meme coins across the board. But again, only time is going to tell. Do let me know down below what you guys personally think, and also let me know what you think is causing this rally right now. I would love to know your personal thoughts. And with that being said, I will see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.